Today I'm just gonna be going over the rear brakes on the Raptor. Come to find out, last ride I was riding with no back brakes. Found out in the middle of the trail, literally nothing. Thing's down. Now, I had it working pretty good last ride. So I've already replaced the caliper, the rear caliper. I replaced this with the brake booster. So I'm guessing at this point, maybe there's a leak in this hose. Maybe there's more air in the system. Today, yeah, hopefully by the end of this video I'll have working rear brakes. But yeah, I'm just getting the Ford ready for this weekend. This weekend, me and my dad are going to Canton. We're gonna see how this thing does over there. It's not his first time over there, so it should do pretty good. I forgot the bolts to this, that's why it's loose. But yeah, she should be doing pretty good. We're also working on my dad's doing my dad's clutch on his Raptor 700. We got it almost together, just the small things waiting on parts, you know, the small things. Hopefully that comes by the end of this weekend so we can get that situated. But yeah, I'll pick up this video again when I start I don't know, when I start figuring out what's wrong with this. Well guys, I found out what my problem was. I guess this is not building a lot of pressure. I wasn't doing nothing. No liquid's coming out the rear. So I guess I'm gonna have to replace it. I got the part right here. I forgot what this is called. This is called, what do you think it's called? The brake master system?
The sleeve brake, whatever.
Yeah, something like that. I can't think about the word right now.
The brake sleeve.
Brake booster, the rear brake booster. I think that's what it is. I'm also gonna replace the brake line. I already have it. I have it here, so you know, when I saw that change, you know. All right, so I took out the rear hose assembly and the rear brake booster bolts. You're gonna take out this pin. There's a hose back here with two washers. You gotta be careful to put them on both, one on each side, not two on one side. Same thing with the back. This is how the washers look. So you can look at them, see if they're bad. If you need to replace them, replace them.
Look, like this one was pretty bad. It kept coming off. That one kept coming off, so look out for that.
Yeah, but basically to make everything easier for me, I took out, what's this called? I don't know what this is called. I forgot what it's called. The foot guard or something. I took this out the way. Yeah, easy access to everything. You have this right here, two bolts, and then you can get this hose back here. On the tip, the part with the bend, it goes up like that. It goes over here like that. Inside between the grooves right here, and then the flat side goes over there. So yeah, we're gonna start bleeding right now. Let me see.
Yep.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start bleeding it. What you wanna do is you wanna pump it a few times, and then you're gonna hold it down, and then you're gonna open the valve. Oh yeah.
It's better already.
Oh yeah, it's a lot better. So this thing was definitely bad. Sure. Well, it definitely feels like it's pumping something now. Kind of felt like really messy with the other one.
For sure, for sure.
Hopefully I have some back brakes and
Westville, you need back brakes.
yeah. Oh yeah, it feels good already. Yeah, put it down in the valve. Watch out you don't get squirted on.
You have to cut it off. Ready? Whoa, you almost spit the camera. It did. It went right next to it. That's your pot. Hopefully you got it. Stop. Go. Let's not forget that. Keep the iron brake fluid, by the way.
Yeah, don't forget.
Don't forget. Huh? You put on the pressure on the other one. still gonna have brakes. There you go.
For sure.
No. Whoa, that's a lot of air. You need a lot more bleeding since the hose is new.
Man, yeah, this thing's...
It's a lot better already. Yeah. Shoom. I hope the camera could count that, bro. That'd be nice.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. It still has air, probably.
Now you have it that one.
One more. Gotta put more brake fluid. Stop for a second.
Wow, this looks so nice.
To have brakes.
Yeah, because when we was on the hill, I had to turn it on.
No, the thing is, I was seeing you were going back. Your front tires wasn't holding enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were struggling there for sure. Westville was killing you on that hill. It was scary for me to see you watching.
It's pretty cool.
But what you were going to do, you just kept going down. Just go ahead, do it again.
It's pretty fun though.
Hit it.
Like this four-wheeler, like I'm up the hill. It didn't feel sketchy at all. Like it didn't feel like, oh, my pop will really flip over. It's pretty good.
All I know is a Raptor goes in like nothing, no hassle, and the Banshees you only hear beam, 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 beam. I'm just spinning tires and can go well.
You seen in the video that with the white one, it was only doing one
It's
piston.
good, right?
Yeah, it's super good. Yeah, you see that? It was only firing one piston.
And that's how you do it. Boom. And always keep eye on the brake fluid, by the way.
Well, I'm starting to put it back on now, put everything together. Let's just put this together. It should be 2 bolts right here, 1 bolt in the back. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna push the four-wheeler, see how
the brakes are. There you go. Now you got brakes.
and that's how it should be. Solid. Alright guys, but I'm gonna end the video off right here. Like and subscribe for more. Yeah, I'm gonna start uploading some videos like this, you know, do something different. Have some,
It helps some people.
you know, help some people. You know, I know that there's not a lot of videos on Raptor 350s. You know, same thing as a Warrior 350. You know, same thing. So if you also have a Warrior, this will also work for you. But yeah, on to the next one, guys.